The cash out on all these airdrops is getting more real every single day. Now, if you take a look at my phone screen right now, this is the Tomato app, and the screen, it reads, "Prepare your wallet for a surprise. Ensure your wallet has at least $1 in assets. You might get a surprise after September 2nd. Now, the $1 they are talking about is most likely to cover for the gas fees for the giveaway that they are about to do. But there is still a problem. A lot of people are complaining that they can't open their Tomato app for days now. And myself, I experienced this issue, but I found a permanent solution or a permanent fix to it. So in this video, I will teach you how to solve the problem of your Tomato app not opening, and then also show you how you can deposit the $1 in assets, which is a ton transaction. Yes, it's going to be a ton transaction. I'm going to do a practical step-by-step guide and show you everything you need to know right in this video. Now let's get started. Now, straight and direct to the point, once you are on the Tomato app, normally what you will do is coming to click either here or click here. But no, if your Tomato app is not opening, come to this place, this particular place written Tomato Market app. Click on this place and then click on Open App. And that is just the fix. That is just the fix. It will open. Yes, you can see it straight away. Now, if you are new and you don't understand what we are talking about, you don't know what Tomato is, this is a cryptocurrency that is yet to list in the crypto market, and what we are doing is called airdrop farming. We are logging in every day and performing simple tasks to earn Tomato, which will list very soon, and whenever it lists, we are going to be rewarded with tokens, which you can convert to cash. Okay, that's what we are doing. So you can use the link showing on the screen right now to sign up. It is case sensitive. Where there's capital letter, put capital letter. Where there's small letter, put small letter. And then you can join in mining Tomato. So let's continue with the video. So now that I'm here, the first thing I'm going to do is what? Click on this harvest, okay? You can see I've mined some. So I harvest. Okay, you can see I've harvested 1000 Tomato, 1080. So what do? Just click on start farming again, okay? Yes, and it will continue farming. So after 180 minutes, you come back and harvest again. Now let us go to the wallet and the giveaway, which I know a lot of us have been waiting for. This is wallet right here. So when I open wallet right here, you can see the giveaway, okay? It is still on, so you do this ASAP. Now you can see that this is my wallet and I've connected my Bitget wallet. Now listen, Bitget wallet, let me show you something real quick. Bitget wallet is different from Bitget exchange. This is Bitget wallet, this is Bitget exchange. Okay, for you to connect your Bitget wallet or to download the Bitget wallet, you can use the link showing on the screen right now to get directly to the Bitget wallet. Okay, so this can work perfectly for you. Now I need you to take note of something. This is my address, and this address here is a ton address, and it is from Bitget. The address you're depositing this ton to must be this address. The address you're depositing this $1 to, it must be this particular address for you to qualify. So what am I going to do now? First of all, let me click here and let me disconnect it. Okay, I want to do everything practically so you can see how it's working, how it's going to be. Now, when I click on connect right here, it will ask me what blah, blah, blah. Just say yes, and it will carry me directly to my Bitget. You can see the app. You can see the app that opened here is Bitget wallet. And what is showing right here is what's done, and this is my address. And what do? I click on approve. You can see it's connected. So I can now stay in wallet or return to website, anyone, okay? So let me return to website so we can continue. I don't want to confuse you. Now that we are here, I'm back to how it was before. So the simple thing I'm going to do now is to now deposit this $1 into this address. Do you understand? So let us go and do that immediately. So right here, this is my Bitget wallet, and you can see I don't have any funds inside. It is not hard. The first thing you are going to do is to generate your address. And how do we do that? Click on deposit right here, or you click on receive. Anyone, I click on deposit, and you can see deposit digital assets. Click on this receiving here, right here, and then you search for ton. But this is ton in the first one, so I click on ton. And then you can see that, make sure that this address here is matching the one in Tomato. So let's go to Tomato. You can see it. You can see they are matching. Look at it. Look at the last words, the last letters. You can see they are the same thing. So this is the address we are depositing into. Okay. Yeah. So For now, leave it like this. Now, where am I going to be sending from? Now, for you to send, you can either send from your Telegram wallet, or you can send from your Bybit, or you can send from Binance or wherever, or whatever crypto exchange you want to send. So, but for today, myself, I'll be using the Telegram wallet to send. Now, and if you don't know how to set up the Telegram wallet, I made a previous video. The last video I dropped, okay? The last video I dropped, that video is also showing on the screen right now. So you can watch that video to learn how to set up your Telegram wallet. Okay, right now I've set up my own, and let's open it. You can see that inside my wallet, I have this amount of money here, $2.8. Now, you may ask, how did I get this money inside here? It is not hard. It's just about you clicking the add crypto. When you click on add crypto, you can see you can either use P2P market or you can use a standard wallet. And you can choose whether you want to deposit USDT or TON or BIT, anyone. Just send to this place, okay? So after sending, make sure that if you send USDT is not TON. If you send USDT here, click on what? Click on exchange. And you can exchange your, click here, you can exchange your USDT to TON. Okay, exchange, you can exchange your USDT to TON. Yes. So I believe I'm passing across the message. So right here, come to this asset. When you come here, this is your total balance. But when you come here, you see the specific assets that you have. So let me click on it. And you can see that what I have specifically is dogs. So what I'm going to do now is to swap these dogs to TON. Okay, swap these dogs to TON. That is what I'm going to do. So I come towards exchange. And I want to, let's do it this way. I want to receive TON. But what I'm swapping is what? Dogs. This is my dogs. So I click on max. You can see I'm getting 0.48 TON. Remember, what we are sending is not 1 ton. What we are sending is not 1 ton. 1 ton is about $8, 7 point something or $8. What we are sending is $1, so it's going to be 0.0 something ton. Okay, yeah, done. So click on review details, and you can see this one dog is equal to this. We are getting equivalent of this. So I click on confirm and exchange. Done. So right now, what I have is what ton. Okay, let's open it again. Okay, you can see my ton right here. I have ton now, and the ton is what? 2.56 what? Dollars. 0.495 tons. So I now click on what? Click on this ton, and I can now click on what? Send. And where are you sending to? That's what it's going to ask you. Are you sending to your Telegram contact? Are you sending to an external wallet or your ton space? So I click on external wallet. So I select so it's going to what? Ask me to paste the address here. Now that is when we are now going to go to what? Bitget. I go to Bitget, copy this address, and then I come here, and then I paste it. Allow paste. Okay, you can see it. And just before I send it, let's get back to my Bitget wallet, and if you can see that I don't have any assets right here. You can see it. I don't have any assets right here at all. Okay. Yes, so let's refresh it. There's no asset at all. So I'm doing this straight and direct, and then I click on what? Continue. So it's going to ask me the amount of ton I want to send. So use max ton balance, and I click on what? Continue. And I what? Confirm and send. You can see the fee 0.05 ton, which is 0.26 USD. That's 26 cents. So I click on what? Confirm and send. So I put in my wallet passcode. If you don't know how to set up wallet passcode, I made a video. The video I made on how to set up your Telegram wallet will also show you how to set this up, okay? So you can see it, ton sent. Your transaction is being processed and will be completed soon. So I click on what? Done. So you can see right now that the asset has left my wallet and I don't have any funds inside my Telegram wallet anymore. So let's spare a few minutes and then we'll check in the Bitget wallet if the asset has arrived. Okay, right now you can see that I just refreshed and the asset has arrived. You can see it right here. You can see it that we now have what? 2.31. You can see it, okay, which is good, okay. You can see 0.4450 ton received. So this is it. The asset has arrived. You can see it. We are refreshing right now. So right now, another reason why I want to show you to download this Bitget app, this Bitget wallet, is that what? When you come to, well, I want to show you something real quick. When you come to receive, when you come to deposit, and you can see P2P, and you click on P2P, okay, click on buy, you can see that they have P2P and Naira is supported. This NGN right here is supported. So use the link showing on my screen right now to download this Bitget wallet. Use the link on my screen right now. Okay, so we both can qualify for some bonuses. Okay, yes, I highly recommend that. So although sell is still coming, but you can buy. So since they've incorporated NGN here, it's a good news, it's a good way to go. Okay, so basically that's all you need to do. And then go back to your Tomato app. Don't forget, there is nothing else to do. When after you deposited, it will still be like this. So don't worry, expect the giveaway, okay, after today. Okay, we don't know when they are going to complete their giveaway, and make sure you don't send out those funds that is in your Bitget wallet. Okay, so you can still come here to your friends and refer people, get your referral link and refer more people so you can earn more. Come to task, perform some tasks that they are expecting you to do. Okay, like follow Tomato on Twitter. Let's do this real quick. I follow them. Okay, so I go back, and then you can now see an option to claim it. So I click on claim. You can see 3,000 tomato claimed. Okay, so you can perform daily tasks right here. And then if you're a newbie, let me show you this quick. From after farming, you earn with farming, you earn from tax, and then you can also play. Okay, you click on it and it opens. Okay, and basically what you just have to do is tap on the tomato. Just tap on them. Once you see the blue one, you stop, tap, just keep tapping, tap. Okay, keep tapping. Okay, I'm not really fast with this game, but just keep tapping. Okay, keep tapping, okay, tap as much as possible. If you see the blue star coming, tap on it so you can hook, and then you keep tapping. That is just simply how you play this game. If you see a bomb, just avoid it. Okay, so that's just what I'm doing. I'm just doing this for the newbies so you can learn how this works. Okay, so this game will soon end. This particular one will soon end right now. Okay, you can see that I've made 285 points. Okay, so I use the back button. I can go back, and you can see I still have more 13 options to play. So sign up using my link showing right now, and or a newbie right here. Don't worry, I got you. So sign up using the link showing on my screen right now to get to this tomato, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained any value in this one, do give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. And do well to share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people too can gain true value, just like the way you've gotten. Thank you once more for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.